we are here today near State College, Pennsylvania at Shingletown Gap doing what is called a great introductory hike, which I found online. I will link it down below. This is our first time here and everyone says this gets pretty busy. The lot is almost full. It is a Wednesday at like 2 o'clock, I think. And yeah, we're gonna do this great introductory hike, check it out, see what's up with the area, what it's all about, and I'm gonna take you along, so let's go. So there are directions to and for this hike on the link that I will put in the description, but I'm gonna walk you through it anyways. We are walking past a water reservoir right now, which is the first order of business to get onto the trail. So we start out on the lower trail, which is where we're at right now, and let's see. So we will be following this trail for just a little over half of a mile. Looks really pretty so far. Lots of rocks. This would be really pretty when these are blooming here in a couple of weeks/months. I can't remember if I said this or not, but this is a 2.3 mile hike. And I think it's relatively easy, especially because it's a great introductory hike, so we're gonna see. But there's a lot to explore. Lots of water happening here. Came across an old foundation. We're about 0.6 miles in to our hike. So once you come to this old foundation, we are going to take a right. We're going to go across the trail this way. So from the foundation, take a right across a little bit of water, and then carry on. Woohoo! So once you cross, you'll see a blue blaze on this tree, and we're just going to walk away from Roaring Run. Up a little hill. Here we go. Under the tree, keeping it going up. Super narrow path here that we've come across. Which is fine right now, but if it was summer, I'd be paranoid about snakes, so we're good. And we've come to a clearing. I don't know which way to go. We gotta look. But look, there's like a nice opening here. Do we go left, I think? You can go left or right once you come to this beautiful clearing. Okay, we are taking a right. We are about almost a mile in at this point. So we have reached the second charcoal flat. It is just a little over a mile in according to my watch. And we take a sharp left and continue up this hill. So now we're following the red and the white blazes instead of the blue ones. Here we go up the hill. I don't know what's up here. We're gonna find out. Been walking a little ways now, about a mile and a half in. Really nice trail so far. There's a couple of little hills, but it's really nothing extreme at all. Very nice. You can almost see a view. Let me show you. Well, the lighting is not that great, but you can almost see a view out here, kind of through the trees, but that's about it for long distance views. So far, at least. I don't think there's one though, but we're gonna see. Lots of rhododendrons, I think that's what they are. So if you came when they are blooming, would be so pretty. So we have come to the end of the red and white trail, and we take our right. We are getting close to being back at the parking lot, hopefully, if we did everything right. Which I'm pretty sure we're good this time. We should be good. But yeah, we take a right. We're gonna follow this cruiser run, I think is what it's called. And I don't know, I can't remember what's next, but then we do something else and then we're back, I think. So we're gonna follow this very wet, whoops, very wet trail. Like, it's not bad there. Not very bad. Okay, here we go. Going down. Walking down. There are tons of rocks on this side. There we go. Pretty steep descent. Make sure to wear some type of waterproof shoes if you come here, because we walk pretty much down the river. I think we turn right there. So we're going left and we can see the parking lot. Okay, so this is the log bridge, which we are crossing to get back to the parking lot. It's a little bit slippery right now because it's wet outside, but we're gonna see how it goes because we don't have another choice. So I think it's fun. We made it. Watch me slip at the end. Ta-da! So there is your exit point off of the trail. Be on the lookout for it because we missed it. We kept walking and then we had to turn around. And yeah, so just keep an eye out for that part. Now we are back where we started. So we just made a loop. We started out right there. We came out right there. We are parked down there. And that concludes the Shingletown Gap introductory hike video. This is a really great hike for a beginner hiker, or if you're new to this area, just to really check things out. I really liked it, really recommend. I would do it again. And yeah, if you're like in State College, it's like 10 or 15 minutes outside of town. Completely quiet, chill out here. There's really not much cell phone service. So if you want to follow the directions, keep that in mind before you come so you can have it all loaded up and ready to follow. It's pretty easy to follow. We did have some confusion at times, but not so much that we got lost or anything. You just have to pay attention to the signs and the mile markers and everything like that. It took us about an hour and 20 minutes to do, and we really took our time doing it. And I think that's it. Really nice, really recommend. 10 out of 10. We will be back to explore more in this area in the future. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next hike.